This example is dedicated to the simple assembly. In order to create an assembly, first of all, we need to create a part, a simple model. Here, the model consists of 3 similar parts, so we need to create just one single part, and then we can duplicate them and create assembly in order to obtain this model. So first of all, we go to the SolidWorks, and again we create part. Okay. After that, we go to the sketch, select front plane, and we'll draw this curve. Here we have radius 40 and this radius 60. And in the middle, between them, the average will be radius 50. So first of all, I wanna draw this curve, and then I will draw in a bottom plane a circle, and then I will extrude it along this path, so I will obtain this figure. So first of all, I'll create sketch on a front plane, then I will select this center point arc and create arc. And radius of this arc should be 50. Change dimension to mmgs, so we can see, go to the sketch again, so we can see this number in millimeters here. After that, I exit the sketch and I want to select another plane, top plane, and I will start a new sketch here. I can click here or here and draw a circle. The diameter of this circle is equal to 25, so smart dimensions, and here write 25. After that, I can extrude it along this path. So I go to the features, sweep pose base, and here we have, first of all, need to select the object we want to extrude, and then the path along which we want to extrude our circle. So that's how it will look like, the extrusion. And also this object here, it has some width, and width here is equal to the outer radius 62.5 and inner radius 60, so the width is equal to 2.5. On our sketch we can draw 2 circles with different radiuses and then extrude this model, or we can do other things. We can, for example, click this thin feature and write width here, and then select the direction, width, add width to the out or to the inner part. So it will be inside or out. I will select the inner part, as we created the circle with the diameter 25. 25 is the outer diameter, so we need to add thin inside and apply it. Now we have extruded model with a hole inside. So after that, we need to save this model. Save. And after that, click New and click Assembly. Okay. And I don't know what's the problem with SolidWorks on a Citrix software, but it didn't create a correct assembly file for us. Usually it will be a window here from which we can drop our model, but it's another just part, not assembly. So what we can do here is to close SolidWorks and open it again from Citrix. And once it was opened, we click Assembly. So now it has a correct assembly window, and from here we can insert components we've created before. So here's our component, part 1. We open it and attach it to the region. Next we need to add 2 more, so I'll insert 2 more components, locate them somewhere, and next we need to align them and attach them to each other. So first object we cannot move because it's fixed. As you can see this letter here, F letter, so we cannot move this object. And this two we can move. So this one will be our reference object. So in order to make connection between them, we need to select Mate tool. And here we can do different alignment between models, parts. So I will delete clear here everything, and for example we can select some surfaces, this surface, for example another one, and we can align them or make parallel, perpendicular, and so on, different options. And we can also okay, but what I will, and I wanna connect them as shown on figure. So again I select Mate, then I will select, for example, this circle and this circle. So I wanna align these circles, make them coincident. So we can make them coincident or concentric. It will be the same or coincident. And we need to rotate it this way. So we can do it from here or from here and apply it. Then we need to do the same for this here. I can select, for example, outer part and also align them this way. Okay, and here they all aligned, and here they currently not, so we can move it somehow. And we need to define this alignment, so they will align along one axis. So what we can do here, we can add some reference line. We can click Sketch, 3D Sketch, and then draw a reference line. After that, again, we exit the sketch and click Mate, select line, select a region, align it. Okay. Then select line, not face, line, and align it with this point and apply. So now all references defined, so we cannot move these objects any longer. So we obtained this type of model as on the figure.